Good day, and welcome to LegoPiece Theatre. I'm your host, Kent Clark. Today on LegoPiece Theatre, we will be taking a look at the science of speed. To help us better understand the subject, we have a special guest with us. Please welcome with me, Luke Skywalker.
Hello, Kent.
Hello, Luke. It's good to have you with us. So, Luke, what's there to really understand about speed? Isn't speed just how fast someone or something is moving?
Well, sort of, Kent, but there's a lot more to it than that. Just saying that someone is walking fast or slow doesn't really explain their speed. To really know the speed of an object or a person, we need to know how much time it takes to travel a certain distance. The formula for figuring out the speed of an object is the distance it has traveled divided by the time it takes to travel that distance, or distance divided by time.
I'm a little confused, Luke. How can you divide distance by time? They're two different things. Maybe you could give us an example.
Sure, Kent. Let's go out to the desert where my friend R2-D2 will help me show you what I mean. I'm going to set a timer for 1 minute, and R2 is going to start rolling. In the meantime, I'll explain how we're going to measure R2's speed. Are you ready, R2? Great. Ready? Go. Kent, do you remember the formula for measuring speed?
Distance divided by time?
Exactly. So that means we need to know two things to measure R2's speed. How far he goes is the distance. How much time it takes him to get there is the time. Out in the desert, we have posts set up every 10 feet to measure the distance R2 will travel. This means the distance part of our formula will be measured in feet. With the timer, we can figure out how many feet he's gone in 1 minute. Or a better way to say it would be what his speed will be in feet per minute. Only a few seconds left, R2. Three, 2, 1, stop. Great job, R2. Thanks.
How fast did he go, Luke?
Well, in 1 minute, R2 passed 6 posts. Now remember, the posts were 10 feet apart. Can you figure out R2's speed with that information, Kent?
Well, first we need to figure out the distance he traveled. If each post marks 10 feet, that means R2 traveled 60 feet, because 6 times 10 is 60. Next, we figure out the time it took him to travel that far. If it took him 1 minute to travel 60 feet, that means R2's speed was 60 feet per minute, right?
Exactly.
Say, Luke, do you always have to use feet and minutes to measure speed? Could you use any other units of measure?
Great question, Kent. I almost forgot. The answer is yes. You can determine speed using any measurement of distance like inches, millimeters, miles, or kilometers. You can also use any measurement of time, like seconds, hours, weeks, or years. For example, you can figure out the speed at which you grow by measuring how many inches taller you are in a year, or inches per year. In a car, which moves much faster than R2, larger units of measure are used, like miles instead of inches, and hours instead of minutes.
So his speed would be measured in miles per hour then, right?
That's right.
Well, thanks, Luke. I think I get it now. And thank you, R2. Well, that music means that's all the time we have for this episode. Thanks for watching LegoPiece Theatre. I'm Kent Clark, and I hope to see you again sometime soon.